To connect your Tikom L8000 with the Google Assistant, first of all, we'll need to launch our app, then navigate to the pen button in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. From here, we need to wait until the entire page is loaded, and that way we'll be able to find the third-party control. Select it, then go for Google Assistant. Now, next step is to link your app to the Google Home. So you will need to make sure that you have a Google Home app. You can download it from Google Play Store. Just look for the Google Home right here. So this is the app that we need. Make sure to download it, and then we can begin that entire pairing process. So if we go back to the Tuya app, we'll be able to link. In this case, I'm going to click on relink. And then we need to select the account that we want to link our device to. If you have multiple accounts, in this case, I think I'm going to go for only one account, that is my main. And then we need to agree to everything and etc. and agree and link. And that way our robot is linked to our Google Home account, and we need to select it for the room and the house. Okay, and now you can command your robot by talking to your assistant. So for example, if I say, hey Google, make Dustinator start cleaning.
Starting Dustinator.
And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.